let's examine this person who claimed to be God in the flesh. Let's see what his capabilities were and are. The prophetic uniqueness of the person of Jesus Christ. And I'm using Dr. Henry Morris's calculations here that have been verified again and again. The appearance of Jesus Christ was anticipated centuries before he arrived in person. What's the probability, the scientific probability, that this unique person could appear at a specific time and place as announced by prophecy centuries in advance? What's the scientific possibility of that? The probability. Through Shem, from Noah's sons, Dr. Morris has calculated and it's been verified by others. Through Shem, from Noah's son, the chance is 1 in 3. Why is the chance 1 in 3? Because he had 3 sons. But he said, Shem's going to be the one. Okay, that's 1 in 3. Through Abraham, from Shem's descendants, 1 in 60,000. Because at Abraham's time, that's what the population of Shemites happened to be. Through Isaac of Abraham's sons, 1 in 8. That's the number of sons listed in Scripture for Abraham. Through Jacob of Isaac's sons, 1 in 2. Jacob only had 2 boys. Through Judah of Jacob's sons, 1 in 12. Judah had 12. Through David of Judah's sons, 1 in 200,000. Why 200,000? When David was alive, there were 200,000 population of Judah, the tribe of Judah. It's listed. Through Solomon of David's sons, 1 in 19. David had a lot more sons than we normally think of him having. I won't comment on that. Just leave that between David and the Lord. So here we have 3 times 60,000 times 8 times 2 times 12 times 200,000 times 19. 1 chance in 13 trillion. David Bassett, you're a mathematician. Did he calculate it right? Yeah, here's an advanced math teacher. Yeah, he did it right. Okay. Factoring in the prophecy of the birth taking place in Bethlehem, and we just used one little factor there. The birth taking place in Bethlehem of Judah, that Dr. Morris verifies, the chance is 1 in 1,000 trillion. Ho, 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 something special's going on here. Now, but we're just getting started. Dr. Peter Stoner, professor of science at Westmont College, calculated with 12 different college classes the probability that one man or natural circumstances could succeed in fulfilling just 48 of the 456 known Old Testament prophecies relating to Jesus Christ. Now let's make sure we're getting this. We know of 456 prophecies that are very clear, but there are 48 that no kid could miss. What's the chance, mathematically, scientifically, what's the probability that one man, by any method or natural circumstances, could fulfill them? He submitted his figures for review to a committee of the American Scientific Affiliation. Upon examination, they verified that his calculations were accurate regarding the scientific material presented. His calculations showed the chance to be 1 in 10 to the 157th power. Now, to give you an idea about how phenomenal that is, the entire universe has only 10 to the 80th electrons. Filling the entire universe with electrons gives you 10 to the 135th electrons. If you fill the entire universe with electrons, that's the smallest unit of measurable material, so you couldn't get one more electron in the entire universe. That's 10 to the 135th. Now, those 48 prophecies, the chance of fulfilling that, one chance in 10 to the, you read it's on the screen, 157th, it would be easier to mark one electron, have a blind man or blindfold a man on the other side of the universe, give him one shot at finding that one electron. He could find that one electron and not miss easier than Jesus could have fulfilled those prophecies by accident. Something special is going on.